Hi everybody, the purpose of this video is to show you how to add a topic. So you've already got your group created, which is essentially like your class, or if you're at the secondary level, this could be your period. So math period 1, math period 2, math period 3, etc., etc. So in this particular class, I'm going to select add a topic. And this is going to come up and give me some different controls. I can toggle between the essentials and the access control here. I can also scroll down and look for more options. So the essentials have to be there. You got to have a title. You got to have some sort of prompt with directions. You can select the time that you want students to be able to record. Video moderation, if you are embedding this in Schoology and working with your students as it's coming up, I would not turn this on because it means that you need to approve every single video before it goes live. That is a choice that you can make, but as long as you are working with your students and it's not going long periods of time between when you view the videos, I would suggest leaving that off. The media that you can add are any of these items here. Of course, that'll draw in the students' attention. If there's an image, a GIF, or an emoji, you can include a YouTube video. You can record your own video, and of course, you can include any of these other tools as well on the bottom. So let's take a look at the access controls. So you can add attachments. Think Google Drive files could be here. You can make something active, frozen, or hidden. Frozen basically means you can see it, but nobody can continue to add to that Flipgrid. You can schedule Flipgrids, and you can schedule them to go live. You can schedule when they go frozen at the end date as well. You can get notifications. You can allow students to download. Please note this is automatically turned on. Students are only able to download their own video. They're not able to download other students. You can allow followers. These are different video features. After you build your classroom community and culture, you may want to turn this on so students have the ability to like videos, but we don't want it to turn into a popularity contest either. So I think that's why it's off initially. Again, use your professional judgment. Basic feedback is standard. And then once you've done that, you hit create topic and you've got your topic ready to go. So now is your turn. Go ahead and set up your own topic. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.